Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking apart a PC. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. This is the Thinkcenter M900. The only thing I really know about it is that it has an Intel Core i3 inside. According to Google or AI, it has all of that inside of it. Looking around a little bit, I found this little sticker on the side that says M700. So I don't really know what type of PC this is, but we'll see when we take it apart. This is my second time looking at components of a tiny desktop this close up, so this is still relatively new to me. Alright, let's unscrew this bolt and see what's really inside this thing. The first thing I did was unscrew the bolt that held the PC closed. Here, I took out the SSD. This was surprising because I was expecting a Samsung. Underneath the metal thing, as you guys can see, there are the RAMs. And, as expected, they were DDR4 RAMs, just like Google said. My next task was taking apart the fan, which was not above the CPU. This metal thing was though, so I had to be careful. I had to wiggle this contraption out carefully so that it didn't ruin anything. I put on some gloves for this part because I didn't want my hands to be dirty with the thermal paste. Sadly, I couldn't really see what CPU that was, so I guess we just go off of the sticker on the case. Now that I've checked everything out, it was time to put everything back together. Along with the PC, we also have this stand thingy. I don't really know how to use it, so I went on Google and found this image. I'm just assuming this, but I think the PC goes on like that, if it goes in. Something like that. Anyway, let me know in the comments section down below if I'm doing this correctly. In the next video, I'm gonna plug this PC into a monitor and see how well it works. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Goodbye.